The three structures that make up the bony labyrinth in the inner ear are the semicircular canals, the vestibule, and the cochlea, easily remembered by the mnemonic SVC. In contrast, the three structures that make up the membranous labyrinth are the utricle and saccule, the endolymphatic duct, and the semicircular ducts, remembered by the mnemonic USES. The membranous labyrinth is a series of communicating sacs and ducts which are housed within the bony labyrinth. The membranous labyrinth is comprised of USES, while the bony labyrinth is comprised of the SVC, the semicircular canals, the vestibule, and the cochlea.